Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to add a shipping address to the SHEIN app. So let's get started. Open the SHEIN app on your smart device and check if you are signed into your account. Opening the SHEIN application on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, look for the profile that says Me and then click on it. Then, on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the gear-shaped setting option and click on it. By clicking on the setting option, a new page will open where you will be able to go down to the option, Address Book in the drop-down menu and click on it. Then, on the next page, also click on the option, Add a shipping address. The application will open the next page where you can see several empty fields, such as location, more precisely the country in which you are located. Then, in the first name and last name fields, you should enter your first and last name. Then you have the phone number field, in which you will insert your mobile phone, through which they can contact you. Also, the SHEIN application has enabled users to not have to bother to enter other data individually, such as address line, state, city, and zip code, but to enter everything in one place. If it is easier for you to enter each field individually, then just click on the Enter Address Manually option. Once you've entered all the details, tap Save or Done to add the address to your account. And that's it. Your new shipping address is now saved and ready to use for your next SHEIN order. And there it is! Adding a shipping address to the SHEIN app is quick and easy, and now you're ready to make your next purchase. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.